Well, this looks like a step forward, right? Here's the problem. I hope the camera will pick it up here, but this is cheap masking tape in the back, and on top of it's the good blue painter's tape. The thing that I found doing this yesterday was the blue tape doesn't want to stick to this stuff, and I didn't know that when I did this. In fact, right there, see it's peeling off right here. See that? So I tried an experiment. I went and put plastic on here to see if it hold up in the wind overnight. But all the testing I did, the blue painter's tape won't stick to that. And see, that is loose too. It's coming loose from the vinyl. Now, what I did do is I went and peeled all the tape off the other, other 10 windows. All the tape's gone. It was up there a couple days. The wind's been blowing like crazy, and I couldn't, put the plastic on. So I gave it a try, and the blue tape just won't stick to that old crappy masking tape. So I tore it all off. So now I've got to do this again. Now this one's experimental. Here's what scares me. It's not necessarily. Okay, let's see. Can I show you this? Yeah. Here's what bothers me. When you have your sprayers spray at something like, ideally about 2,500 psi, it's a lot of pressure. So you come over here and you're spraying right in here, and you shoot that, it could rip all that right off. Just whoosh, gone, and that just would suck, because these are brand new windows. So this is nice. I mean, it's still up here, but that's what my fear is. So a step backwards, as it were. God damn, it makes me mad. So what is today? Today's Wednesday, and something like Friday, the wind's supposed to calm down. Or some storm somewhere, and it pushed a lot of wind through here. So now I'll do this, but I'll have to do it only with blue tape. Now, blue tape is about $8, $7-8 a roll, and this other stuff was $3.50. And it's not just masking tape you're supposed to use. You're supposed to use 3M 8020 if you want to use it in this style of masking tape. But this was out of the dollar store, so you get what you get. Now, I did find out when I was taking it off that it would leave the residue behind. And that's just a total pain in the ass. Blue painter's tape, see over here? Can you see right there? That blue painter's tape has held up that Reflectix on that trailer now for 15 months. Yes, it's a little crispy, but you can still get it off. It's just blue painter's tape is just great stuff. It's more expensive, no kidding, but it just stops all the BS. In my case, it's almost not. It's 84 miles round trip to go get the shit. So it's why I try to cut corners wherever I can, and this isn't the place to do it. So that's the status of getting the house painted. I'm a little pissed, but that's how it goes. Other than that, it's kind of ready. Yeah, this cluster here, this is all dry rotted here, but it's getting, it's already mid-October, and it's starting to cool off, and I'm going to lose my complete ability to even paint. So, yes, you should fix all that first. I'm not. I can put it, repair that and then hand paint it with a brush. It'll match just fine. So, and someday I'll have to replace the door. There's a big damn doggy door somebody cut in there, and I had bugs coming in and rain and all that. So I put plywood on it, caulked it when I first got here, and it stopped it. We've had rainstorms come in and beat this whole side of the house, and that door doesn't like a drop now. So, oh, well, here's an example of this tape. Okay, now, God, I hope it's focused. I couldn't get this stuff off easy. It's a huge pain in the butt. It becomes brittle, and it's just horrible. See that? I couldn't get it off. So now I got to take a razor blade and work all the way around the lock, and then this stupid thing. This stuff is just crap. So, stay away from crappy tape. That's the bottom line. And you know, once I get the windows, maybe I'll just do half the house at a time. The garage took about 6 hours to shoot, but the one thing that's missing here is you see there's no overhang. The garage had a big, huge overhang out, like 18 inches, and all these 2x4s in there, so you had to go in and get it all as you went. It was a pain in the ass. This is easy. Just shoot it, whoosh, and then do each wall. It's not, I don't think it's nearly as hard, but it's probably 45% bigger, the house is, than the garage. This is I forget, is this 53 feet? This is 50 something feet. The garage is 28. So yeah, shit, maybe it's almost 50% bigger. But there's so much less to do. The worst is, here, and there's one at that end and then one at the other end. So that's just a quick trip up the ladder, whoosh, and you're done. So I think this will actually go fast. All right, anyway, enough rambling. Thanks for your time. See you, bye.